Hey, so before actually moving to the video, I would like to show you something that I've been using from many days. That is Zigo Cloud. It is used to build powerful and interactive apps which are based on voice, video, and chat. It also provides you an APIs so you can integrate it in your application. And not only that, you can create multiple applications related to video call, voice call, live streaming, in app chat, cloud recording, AI effects, Superboard, digital human, etc. And apart from that, they also provide you SDKs so that the developer can integrate these particular features and this particular all the high quality real-time video application feature in your application uh, with so easy and almost low code. And if you can see, like, you can integrate direct call, virtual background, face beautification, all this using this their SDKs. And one of the main feature that Zigo Cloud provides is their UI kits, and they have 20 plus UI kits and 50 plus components and which are ready to use. So these are pre-built UI kits so that you can build your application super faster. And not only that, it is less time consuming, more economical, and you can focus on the core parts rather than developing the from everything from scratch. And you can see, like, you they also provide you very less code and you can integrate it very seamlessly. And if you see, so you can see, like, they have video view, dynamic layouts, in room messages. So you can see there is only few lines of code and your work is done. And the one thing I would like to share you is, yes, if you want to sign up, you can click on the sign up button and fill all these details. And since my details I have already logged in, so let me log to this. So you will see a dashboard like this, and you would get free 10,000 minutes. And with this 10,000 minutes, you can create your application, and you can create voice and video call application, and you will see all your details over here. So this was about Zigo Cloud. Now let's back to the video. Hi everyone, thank you for coming on to this video. If you want to directly watch the interview, you can skip to the timestamp given below. If you're looking to practice front-end development, then I am offering free one-on-one mock interview related to front-end development to sharpen your skills. You can book one on TopMate or you can fill out the Google form. Both of the links are given in the description itself. So without any further ado, let's get into the interview.
Suppose there is an array, and you can what we can do is we can have like, suppose there are 5 elements with whatever 1 to 8, 18, 20, and we want the elements greater than 20, uh, greater than 18, greater than 20. So with the help of filter we can do. And the other thing you ask is map. Okay, so map, it will create a new array. For example, like, there is a set of 4 to 5 elements, and if we want to add each element by 2 or multiply each element by 2, we can do with the help of map. Yeah, sure. Just let me know once you are able to see. Are you? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, sure. So map. Okay, like any array you can give, like, or should I create? Yes, come again. Okay. 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 Just any other editor? Okay, yeah. Just a second. I will open another editor. Programmers. It is not working here. You can open one compiler app. Yeah, yeah. I'm using just a second. Yeah, no issue. Yeah. Script and yeah. Okay, can you please explain? Yeah. So what I did is here is I've taken firstly I've taken an array with four elements, whatever like any random elements. So I have took a function which will return greater. I have the each element it will be multiplied by 20. So here 64 into 20 it is 1280. 61 into 20 is equals to 1220, and other two elements the same. So this function it will multiply each element by 20, and here it will printing all the elements. So here it has been printed the array, the result array. Now for the filter, so same array, we are filtering the same array. So what we are doing is here this function is filtering which is greater than 60. So it will check each element whether 64 is greater than 60. Yes, it will take this here, print here it will we can see, whereas 61 it is greater than 60 but not 24 and 21. So this will filter which is greater than 60, and it will print all the elements. Okay, the function that is my function. Yes. Line number three. You have created separate function. Yes. Pass the map function. Yes. Instead of creation of separate function, can we pass the function directly to the map function? Like I didn't get what you meant to say. As in the line number three, you are passing my function to map function, right? Yes. You have created the separate function. Yes. So can we pass, instead of creation of separate my function, can I pass the function direct to the map function? Yes, yes, yes. Directly here, right? Yes, we can do it. Can you please give me an example? Yeah, yeah, sure. I'm doing it here only. Oh, done. Uh, okay. 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 Mm, yeah. Hello. Yeah. Yeah. So I directly I mapped with each number. I took each number and multiplied each element by 20. Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Second. Okay. 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 Fine. Console log of hello. Okay. It will print hello. Set timeout. Okay. It will print in last. Okay. And the console log of my uh console log of a. Okay. It will print uh hello, bye, and then how are you? Because it is a set timeout, and it will be like in the, you can say, in a, it will be in waiting in a queue. Like it will firstly execute, you can say, synchronous. Hello. Yeah, so synchronous code will get executed and then asynchronous. So set timeout is included in asynchronous. Yeah, it doesn't mind because set timeout is set timeout, whether it is 0, 1, 2. But firstly synchronous, and if it is even 0, then also it will execute after the synchronous code. Where a equals to 10, let b equals to 20. Okay, so firstly, so log of a, so so in the second it will be Uh, so for this, it will be an error. We can console log of pay, because due to it let doesn't support hosting, whereas where it supports. So 10 and error. It can't be like, it should be declared before like printing. It should be 10. Yes, 10. Yes, I have. I have. Slice and splice, what it will do is like it will so slice method, it will, like you can say, a copy will be created of an array, and return a portion, or it can return a portion of an array. And the other one you asked is splice. So splice method will, you can say it can change the contents. It can change the elements of an array as well. Okay, okay. Uh, yeah. Yeah, sure. The slice, what it will do is it will take the index. So index here is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. So it will take the first index, and from the first index it will, hello. Yeah, so it will take like now till 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So from first index it will, like it will check from like the four elements. It will check 1, 2, 3, 4. It will stop if we write, if we write 3, then it will take orange and watermelon. Say this. Yeah, so this was the slice and splice. Hello. Yeah, so splice it will take like here what we are doing is it it will start from index 1, and it will delete two items from the array. Yeah. Reduce. Yes, I have. Add five. Oh, okay, okay, okay. So like, uh, yeah, yeah, got it. Like any okay, I will take any. Okay. Yeah, yeah, that's what I was. Yeah, okay, fine, fine. Like reduce. Hello. We can like accumulate like we can multiply or we can add. So you are telling me that I want to like add each element by 5, right? Then some. Okay, okay, okay. Then I have. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, done. Yeah, sure. So here I am with the help of reduce method. We are accumulating. We are adding like every element. So what? So this it will accumulate like so. Firstly, it will take the first element and the second element. It will be adding first two elements. Then it will get stored in A, and then B. It will be taking the third value, and so on. Yeah, sure. Uh, I uh, Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Yeah, sure. So what I've used is replace. So with the help of replace method, we can replace. So here I have searched which string I have to replace, and G stands for global replacement. So it will check where it is, where the exact word is present in a sentence. So it will check, and then it will replace it with this value. Yeah. Yeah. I've used functional components. Yes. 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 I've used use state, use effect. Mostly I've used use state, use effect. I've used use ref and use memo uh, a bit, but yeah, mostly use state, use effect. Use effect is like it is used to perform like side effects. For example, yeah. So for example, like mounting, updating, unmounting, like we do what we do in for this purpose, like in class component we use component did mount, component did and update, component will unmount, we use in class component. But here in functional components we use with the help of use effect. Two. Yeah. Yeah, so in first there will be a function, and in the second there will be dependency. Dependency is like, yeah, yeah. So suppose if we don't pass a dependency, so it will run on every render, the function. If there is an empty array, then it will run only on the first render. And suppose if we pass uh, a prop, so so what it will happen, it will run on the first render, and it will, and uh, like if the state changes, so on that time it will run. How we can pass a parent to child with the help of props? Callback. Yes, I have, I've used thumb. Saga, I've used thumb. Normal redux. Why we use redux is like it is used for it manage the state globally, so for mainly for that purpose we use redux. So yes, come again. So main components are there will be like action, there will be reducer, there will be, and there will be store. So these are the three main components. Yeah. Use memo is like we so suppose there is a data, it has been updated to the same value, so there is no purpose of re-rendering. So to avoid that re-rendering, use memo is used.